Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Maggie, and for today's video I really wanted to create a perfect purple. For me, I've seen a lot of makeup artists that do purple colors, and I'm like, I really love those purple colors, so I don't know how to create it, but I try to see if I'll be able to go ahead and recreate it through BH Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil. And I also incorporated it with some glittery stuff over there. So without further ado, I'm not gonna go ahead and talk more. Let's go ahead and just jump in. Hi guys, so I finally recorded early in the morning before I go to work. So I've already prepared my eyes and my eyebrows. So to start with, I'm going to go ahead and use my Take Me Back to Brazil palette, and we're gonna go ahead and start up with this color right here. I'm gonna go ahead and start with my Morphe M330, and we're gonna go ahead and put it over here like this. Ooh, that's too much, but don't worry, we're gonna go ahead and clean that up later. I'm using my favorite icing brush over here, which is this type of brush. I'm gonna go ahead and grab like this very light pink color over here, okay? Just brush it on top. So it's kind of like diffusing the purple. So we're just taking the harsh lines out. There, it's a little closer so you can actually see it. So right now I'm going to go ahead and get my Born This Way concealer, and this is the warm beige, and I'm gonna go ahead and use that to cut my crease. Okay, so after that I'm gonna go ahead and just put white eyeliner under my waterline, and I have the Wet n Wild Kohl Crayon pencil, which we're gonna just put it over here. So I'm gonna use two colors over here. I'm gonna use first my Take Me Back to Brazil. Okay, I'm going back to this color over here. We're gonna put it on our waterline. I'm going to go ahead and grab my icing brush and this end brush and grab the pink and diffuse the purple a little bit more. Okay, so once we do that, do my cat eyeliner over here. Alright, so I was able to go ahead and put my eyeliner. It's my cat eye, and I have used my ever favorite H2O. Okay, that is if it's gonna, oh there you go, H2O proof Wet n Wild. I'm a Wet n Wild girl, so I really like those. Then I'm gonna go to Kiss, and this is a brow powder apparently, but I really like the shimmer over here, and I'm gonna go ahead and just add more shimmer over here. See that shimmer? I mean, in person it does look shimmery, but cameras don't justify it. I'm gonna go ahead and just go overboard and just be very shiny about it. I'll be very shiny. I'm not supposed to be shiny, but here you go. Let's be shiny about it. Okay, and then using the same, which is the Kiss brow powder, Okay, I'm gonna go grab a little bit and I'm just gonna use this brush. I'm gonna, well, this one is really for the brow, so I'm gonna highlight my brows really quick. I think I'm good with the highlight and stuff. I feel like I still need to do something else. I feel like I need to add a little shimmer on it. I would pick up my Handayan shimmer eyeliners. Huh, I wonder what color. We can try this. Oh, okay. Okay, so I don't know, I'm just playing around right now. Maybe I can do that over there, I guess. Let's try that. All right, okay, let's be very careful about this. Alright, so I was able to go ahead and put the glitter on top. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and just finish up contouring my face, and I'm gonna put my lashes on, and I will be back. So what do you guys think about the tutorial today? I'd really love to hear your thoughts about this video. Please do sound your comments down below. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to hit the bell icon so you'll be notified when new videos come in. Again, if you do like this video, hit the like button and share it with your friends as well. Until my next video, I really appreciate you spending time with me. I'll see you again soon.